So this is Steve Plumley from Certified CIO again, and this time we actually have an awesome online tool that will help with all of the security settings that change at Facebook. This was actually a suggested page from a friend of ours named Matt Ford. He posted this originally, and I am stealing the idea. I want to walk through it for folks because it's not exactly that clear. The instructions are kind of clear, but it's possible to get confused in terms of what they're exactly talking about here. So the first step is, once you go to reclaimprivacy.org/Facebook, you want to right-click on this Scan for Privacy choice here, and then do Add to Favorites. Now, it's going to give you this warning. Okay, it's because this link is actually a bunch of code in the back end. You want to say yes to this, and I've already tested this, and it seems to work great. So I'm going to go ahead and add it as a favorite here to my favorite list. That's fine. And then the next thing that you do is you go to your Facebook. So you go ahead and click on the link here. It'll kick you into your Facebook page. I'm already logged in, so it's actually showing me my privacy settings. At that point, what you want to do is click your favorites drop down, go find that link that you added to your favorites, which for us is right here. And then at this point, it actually runs through and runs some code to check your settings. And you can see that my settings are actually not secure. You can walk through each of these by clicking on these. They have some kind of some suggested things. You can opt out of instant personalization. This will actually turn off the instant personalization. You can click on the links that are in the subject lines as well to set the settings by hand. Like, as an example, I do want to have some of my contact things available on the internet, and I'm aware of it. So, I want to have send me a message. I want to have turned on for everyone, but you can see that I've got friends only for most of my other settings. Get back to the page here. The choice of opting out of the instant personalization right now, that basically there are a couple websites that will pull information from your Facebook. Pandora, if you use that. This Microsoft Docs, which is something that I have used. So if we open this in a new tab, you'll see that this Docs website already knows who I am. It's got me logged in from Facebook already on here. Now you can opt out from these websites, but I think the concern is that not many folks are aware of what websites actually use this information and what do they use it for. So to be on the safe side, you can turn this off, or you can even use the button here to disable that. So anyway, once you have changed your settings and turned off all the secure issues, you should be good to go. Now, the reclaimprivacy.org folks are constantly working on the coding for this, so it's definitely worthwhile to check back there. But I think this definitely helps to keep a lot of your information more secure without having to really worry about all the settings. I have another post that we'll put up at some point about how many different options there are. So check back for that.